Warmer temperatures signal that spring is here and in full bloom, and if there is one meal that celebrates the flavors of spring, it's brunch. Whether your preference is for sweet or more on the savory side, you can elevate your brunch menu with simple swaps. Adding more colorful fruits and vegetables onto your plate means adding more vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and fiber to nourish your body. Whether this is a laid-back weekend ritual or an Easter tradition enjoyed with family and friends, here are a few ways to elevate your spread. Look for Food City's weekend meal deal, which features bacon, Food Club eggs, cinnamon rolls, and Shortcuts fruit bowl, bundled at a great price for 3 days. For a savory way to spotlight this and adding in a few extra spring vegetables, try this bacon asparagus frittata. Now, a frittata is going to be similar to a quiche, but it has a higher egg to dairy ratio and it doesn't have the crust, meaning there are going to be fewer calories per serving. Add a bit of corn and sun-dried tomatoes for extra color and pair this alongside Shortcuts fruit bowl like cantaloupe, watermelon, or honeydew for some extra balance. And if you want to elevate that Shortcuts bowl, feature a fruit salad. You can try mixing up a combination of fruits and veggies for a bright and refreshing dish. In this, feature watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew, and sliced cucumber, finish with some lime juice and fresh chopped mint. Now, melon and cucumbers have a really high water content, and they also contain electrolytes like potassium, and this can help support healthy hydration. Another fun spring dish to serve up for brunch is sheet pan pancakes featuring Kodiak flapjack mix. Now, sheet pan pancakes are versatile and save time when serving a bigger crowd. You don't have to keep on flipping individual pancakes. You simply spread the batter in the sheet pan and bake. And this variation features all the delicious flavors of carrot cake, but with more protein and fiber to keep you full while containing less sugar, so it's going to be ideal for breakfast. Featuring natural sweetness from pineapple and raisins, and then finished with a little bit of a maple yogurt cream cheese frosting if you like, and then simply top with toasted pecans for some added crunch factor. Whether you're planning to host a big crowd this weekend or simply enjoying a laid-back ritual, try these recipes to infuse more color and flavor into your spread. And for more recipe inspiration, go ahead and visit foodcity.com.